Today, new footage has emerged revealing Ukraine's major drone strikes deep inside Russia. This strategic operation caused billions in damage to critical Russian air forces, marking a defining moment in modern warfare. On June 1st, Ukraine launched an audacious drone attack targeting 4 Russian military air bases. According to Reuters, hits were confirmed at 3 major Russian air bases, spanning vast distances across the country. Devastated by Russia's massive long-range missile bombardments and facing limiting American air defense support, Ukraine turned to drones as a low-cost, high-impact solution. According to the New York Times, this operation, called Spider's Web, was so secretive Ukraine didn't even inform America. The mission was to secretly deploy small, effective drones deep into Russian territory, close to bomber bases. It was so high-profile that President Zelensky himself oversaw its execution. To achieve this, drones were hidden inside nondescript shipping containers with remote-controlled roofs, allowing them to launch undetected. These covert bases were strategically located, including one reportedly right across the street from Russia's internal security services, the FSB. Spies on the ground in Russia, along with pilots operating from secret locations in Ukraine, orchestrated every step. Ukraine utilized advanced machine learning to train the drone software to target the most vulnerable points on Russian bombers, specifically fuel areas. For training, they even used Soviet-era bombers found in a museum in central Ukraine. On Sunday around 1 p.m., the container roofs popped open. Drones took to the air, and soon, explosions and smoke clouds rose from airfields across Russia. According to Ukrainian authorities, 41 military aircraft were hit using just 117 drones, amounting to an estimated $7 billion in damage. This caused a substantial strategic loss for Russia's limited fleet. With diplomacy failing, Ukraine hopes to slow down bombardments and raise the cost of the war for the Kremlin. Yesterday, June 3rd, Ukraine continued its offensive with an underwater attack on the bridge connecting Russia to Crimea. In response, President Vladimir Putin reportedly told Donald Trump today that Russia plans to retaliate against Ukraine for its recent attacks.